Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a pillow sham which matches the Adeline bedspread. So this pillow sham is very easy to make. You follow the same pattern as used for the Adeline bedspread. And it buttons in the back for easy placement of the pillow inside. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure around your pillow and you're going to work a foundation chain that will wrap around your pillow with an overlap. And there's the finished pillow shams in the front and the back shown. So let's get started. I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. So I'll start with a foundation chain in multiples of 3 plus 1. So I started with a slip knot and then I'll make my foundation chain multiples of 3 plus 1. After you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And you're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, so after you've double crocheted all the way across the row, this is what it will look like. And then in the next row, you're going to chain 2 and turn. And you're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So go ahead and double crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, I worked another row of double crochet, and that is this section. So now I'll make a row of V-stitch, and then I'll make a row of 3 double crochet in each V-stitch. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And I'm going to double crochet in the same stitch, and that's going to take the place of my first V-stitch. And now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and I'm going to make a V-stitch in the next stitch. And that's double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, so skip 2, make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, V-stitch, skip 2, V-stitch, okay, so there's my row of V-stitches. Now the next row is 3 double crochet in each chain 1 space. So I'm going to chain 2, and just to keep my ends even, that's going to count as the first double crochet. So I'll only make 2 in this one. So 1 and 2. And that takes the place of the first 3 double crochets. So go to the next chain 1 space, and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And you'll repeat that all the way across the row. Make 3 double crochet in each chain 1 space. Okay, all the way across. There's my 2 rows of double crochet, there's my row of V-stitch, and there's my row of 3 double crochet in each stitch. And now it just goes back to double crochet. So 2 rows of double crochet, and that's double crochet in every stitch all the way across, and then repeat these 2 rows here, and then again go back to a V-stitch row, and that will be a V-stitch in every 3rd stitch, and then another row of 3 double crochet in each V-stitch. And so from here to here is one sequence. So 2 rows of double crochet, 1 row of V-stitch, 1 row of 3 double crochet in each V-stitch, double crochet in every stitch, another row of double crochet, a row of V-stitch, a row of 3 double crochet, a row of V-stitch, and a row of 3 double crochet. Just keep repeating that over and over. So you'll work a rectangle that will be able to wrap around the pillow with an overlap for the button. And when I was finished, I worked 1 row of single crochet down each side. And then you're going to overlap your work around the pillow and sew down both sides, and then sew on some buttons and use the existing holes in the texture. And there's the finished pillow shams in the front and the back shown. And there you go. That's how You can make some matching pillow shams to the Adeline, Bedspread, or Afghan. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.